Super Service Triage has a great new way to help us build trust and improve customer satisfaction, and that leads to increased sales. Super Service Triage now allows you to take photos and videos from your mobile device and attach them directly to the vehicle health check to be sent to your customer. Providing visual evidence of repair recommendations makes your customers feel more in control of their service experience, allowing them a greater understanding of the work that's required. From this, they can make a more informed decision without pressure. And this also makes it easier for you to explain the extent of the repair, the required parts, labour and price. During your vehicle health check, you can add photo and video evidence to your vehicle inspection reports. Now this is a real-time feature and can be captured using the same device you use for inspection. Once you've priced the work using Super Service Menu's unique VIN-specific feature, you can then add the supporting images and videos and send a link via email to the customer, who can then view the health check report, including the recommended repairs and cost. The customer views the footage of their vehicle at their convenience, allowing them to make an informed decision without any negative pressure. When the customer signs off and authorises the work on screen, a sales approval notification is then automatically passed straight to the dealership to enable you to commence the work.
The garage were very open and upfront about the results of my car's health check. There's nothing worse than taking your car in for a service and then getting an unexpected bill. The fact that I could actually see on video footage the work to be done, it just gave me confidence in the service that I was getting.
Because the customer can see exactly what's wrong on the car, they're more inclined to purchase the part that's required. The customer actually is believing in what they're purchasing, and it just makes the whole process a lot smoother and more profitable.
I gave the go-ahead for the repairs, and it means I can drive away knowing my car's in great shape.
With the power of photo and video recommendations, Super Service Triage helps us build trust, profits and customer retention.